Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moor Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for June 22nd, going into the 23rd. I'm going to start off with the natural gas. We're rolling into the Augie contract right now, so in the July, however, we had rolled over and we were bullish from 272.50. We rallied up to 333.50. We had rallied 627 ticks from there, but more recently, the trade back above 324.90 brought in strength up to 333.50. But then the failure back down below this formation now warrants a pressure, and that came in at 327.30. So we're closing that out, rolling into the Augie. Decent trade below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 328.40. Minus 0.4 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant decent pressure. Tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. A decent penetration in there overnight is going to be 39 ticks up into the open tomorrow. A maintained gap lower would also leave a minor bearish reversal above. A decent trade above 337.10. Minus 0.1 of a tick per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant decent strength and a likely start to a bull trend. That'll also project this upward 90 ticks minimum, 350 ticks plus maximum. In the crude oil, tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. This resumed bearishness today. In the crude, the trade below 114.35 has brought in $41.52 as the pressure warned about. Number of other bearish calls in here. Those are all off hold. Those were temporarily put on hold by the break back above 74.20 in here, which brought in strength up to 78.14 before failing back below where it came in here at roughly 75.10, which now warns of renewed pressure. A maintained gap higher tomorrow would be bullish. Tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. Sorry, I forget if I just said that or not. And rolling into the RBOB or unleaded gasoline. A maintained gap higher tomorrow will leave a minor to medium bullish reversal below. Decent trade above 294.42 plus 0.6 of a tick per hour will warrant a decent strength. And just as some backup, the trade below 352.26 has brought in 74.33 cents of pressure down into here, with a number of other bearish calls. I won't go over all those. And the heating oil, a maintained gap higher tomorrow in the heating oil will leave a minor bullish reversal below. The failure below 393.86 brought in 93.73 cents of pressure. A number of other bearish calls in here. Those are all now off hold. The break above 310.94 temporarily put those on hold and had a run up to 320.02 before failing back down below this line, which I said to get re-short below, which came in around 311.06. And in the Brent, tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. The trade below 113.13 brought in $36.59 of pressure. A number of other bearish calls in here I won't get into. Those are all off hold. The trade back above 79.01 temporarily put them on hold and brought in strength up to 82.30 before failing back below where it came in at roughly 79.20. And the gas oil, gas oil is also August now. Put some backup in the July because these are rolling into the August. The trade below 1340.75 brought in 488.25 of the pressure warned about. A lot of other bearish calls in here. Those are all now off hold. I would be aware of possible exhaustion below at 807.50 to 790.75, although it is premature for that to hold more than temporarily. And heading into tomorrow, the RBOB is the strongest of the three, the heating oil in the middle, and the crude the weakest of the three relative to one another. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's podcast.